Nemom no cress ye can say streaming app na omo launching na nsen no. Enye MPP aban ene a launch streaming app. Said one person me yetiase no.
Okay.
A private initiative. Private man and a why streaming app. And all launch. And we invite Vice President Bawumia. It is almost creating impression say MPP are buying a launch streaming app. No crebi anim. Na streaming app ya moka wan say we say a buying amani urani sika. And I say for no minim. But the question is, even if Sabaya money urani sika krana, is it based on what?
Na correct say kabibi say a individual. Yes. A individual. I have 100% ownership.
Oh, okay.
But a PPP.
A PPP.
Yes. A public-private partnership. It is never only say a individual. You can say PPP. Ne say aban kasa aban boa. And you say debia no aban cover counter fund. Sika bi fi be support no. Aban can facilitate, help you to do adena person way one endorsement to aban be create a serene environment for you to be an agencies. I will need this agency. May say aban bema letters ama because the other streaming platform wouldn't enjoy that. Okay. So aban say be the who room send your beya a better hands. That's it. That's called that, and then you feel the PPP. No, they be a PPP. I've been listening to radio and go for the PPP. I buy the Sikaway. Hey, please.
Beku Santana is somebody me I grew up listening to. The way I see for Ferrin and the way I see for Bruno.
To me, Kasa.
Me Kasa Papa.
Me call lunch na sibi.
Thank you.
Mamia or no and a Kasama company no or better Peace FM.
Okay.
Peace FM if you hire.
Okay.
Ebe kasa ban sending.
Oh, debut.
Mo akwaba eba to GH. Saturday year UTV show beza amota year yeniaba and a host to no. They give you much attention to trending issue and trending every MPP camp. Ninyina fa Dr. Bawumia policy ya order ba o trim say Ghanaian music industry no person ye page mo de call the next level. Ni say or person or develop an app. Na sa app no aboa ma celebrities and artists no it mean revenue from it. Kan sa same way no ye ti say ye ni abema Abeku Santana kire mu say ye intro say even Nigeria crampo a the biggest entertainment sector no as a matter of fact omo ni any streaming app and it say before say they are coming to give us an app betimi aboa the industry a big lie from hell na ebusia sa asem kakra ya ye ni abema Abeku Santana eka ye no were trending for all the good reasons they were trending for all the wrong reasons ebusia ensure the boa kasebo men kasepete wo so
Seriously, of all the topics, I don't know why a couple of fans had topic one. You could have talked about the National Theatre. You could have talked about anything.
Pay-per-view.
Whatever. Or talk about the TV station. Why he chose that topic or not? Oh, sister. Sister. I
think I say
heat. Now, I don't know how, after making a commentary on stage, the likes of Sadiq, Fula, Bulldog, and corrects Omofili listening to what he said on that platform. And I'll break it down for you.
Sadiq made such same comment too.
Break down, Pacho. What for our third floor money.
I started with a Nigerian comparison. We and also streaming app on as a streaming platform now, NPP, any private entity no, and we are question the relevance and the importance of having a streaming platform.
Government owned streaming platform.
It doesn't
matter
whether it's government owned or not.
Private.
The gentleman waits.
If there was a contest to it.
But
say, so Nigeria, relax. Forgive me. because of Boom Ding as Metiobi, so I'm just trying to put it well.
No, the video, we just played the video.
You played about 1 minute.
No, but you watch next.
You mentioned me, said Nami Woho, and why we're clapping.
I'm using you as a reference. What's your home?
So let me correct it.
Ola maniwie na litina. Alo ba chi yanko.
On fly. Take the floor.
The man the floor sets a streaming winning there and tron upansambo.
Yeah, sure.
We are not question the relevance of streaming platform. Say the password at the end. I didn't know that anything. And streaming app. So if because we question the relevance of a streaming platform, why is it a government owned? So what? It's still a streaming platform. We are not a television station. Momo Bawumia television station. Between Momo any digital space. Between Momo. So let me my main fan from bottom up approach like John DeMello. Bottom up approach. TV station. 2024. There's nothing wrong with television station. But Empress, you and I know, say we've moved. Okay? Once again, no more sem. Listen, the same kume with folks no more to Albatross and my kume will be engaged because technological advancement and and then somebody standing there promising a television station. I bet you a moment to watch. You name say kume would break way the way no was because yanchi digital way no elite. And you are clapping for him. Knowing there was a more industry now and work on its knees, no, and because we couldn't catch up early.
So are you saying digital terrestrial television is a cake? Is that what you're saying?
Empress. Mekoswa. I am surprised. Say Santana, when the pedigree in the person will question the relevance and importance of streaming platform. In this time and age, how does anybody with that repute, with that level of understanding, question the relevance and importance of streaming platforms? That's very sad. We are not say lies, but he just confirmed. So there's a streaming platform. So lies not surround streaming platform. Where are the lies? Now let me go to the Nigerian comparison. What does it mean by biggest music desk? What does it mean? Do you understand? What does it mean by Nigeria is the biggest music destination? What does it
bigger music economy? That's what they wanted to realize.
Yeah, but that is wrong.
He didn't use economy.
He didn't use economy, but I want to understand what he means by
that's the meaning.
Empress. Permit me to read report. International Federation of Phonographic Industry. Global report for 2024. Good. According to the International Federation of Phonographic Industry, global report, South Africa emerged as a dominant force in sub-Saharan Africa music revenue in 2023. The nation generated $33 million, followed by Egypt at $30 million. Nigeria, a powerhouse in African music, secured third place with $27 million. Further down the list, Zimbabwe and Morocco are tied at 13 million each, followed by Kenya at 9 million. Algeria and Sudan round up the figures at 7 million and 4 million respectively, with Cameroon and Tunisia following closely at 4 and 3 million respectively. South Africa.
But one can say South Nigeria. That's what he said.
He said Nigeria is the biggest. He made it emphatically.
Empress. See the same report. The report revealed that streaming contributed 66% 67.3% to global recorded music revenue. 67.3%. The same streaming that relevant. Now the global report is telling you, say streaming contributed 67.3% of global recorded music and 24% to the sub-Saharan African region. The same report, for the first time, the number of streaming subscriptions accounts past 500 million, reaching an annual total number of paid subscription users globally of 677 million. Subscription streaming alone grew by 11.2%.
Yeah.
Streaming revenues now make up to 67.3% of the global market. Mama last statement me trust. Now the same report was as expected. Streaming continues to power the global music revenues, with figures portraying the music industry's health in an optimistic way.
Say, as an industry, the Bibia will be bia ebe enhance industry no papa.
Papa.
Nemom no cress ye can say streaming app na omo launching na nsen no enye MPP aban ene a launch streaming app said one person me yetiase no.
Okay.
A private initiative, private man ena waye ne streaming app ena all launch ena we invite Vice President Bawumia. It is omo creating impression say MPP aban a launch streaming app no krebia nim. No krebia nim sir.
Mpacho ade na ye call 2 weeks ago no now omo launch here no enye say Vice President be catch no my date say bosome on November no omo de eba eka ne niama ho a oya ode be boaye
eno na make kire we say no krebia nim a private look
but Vice President wo ho
Gambo for call luncheon nibi.
Okay.
Miss man Kobe, but Gambo CEO no Kobe.
Okay.
And also I catch them say, a friend say a private man streaming app. Because sabi you streaming app your baby and some organ has said that. Senior 1,000 cry and I'm the one saying quite.
Okay.
But very wrong say on be creating impression say I say I buy na atnasia planning na wakwe streaming app. It's not true. No credit that moyenka. Because nipa streaming app yene dia no gamro so ne ye adwuma.
Nipa yene dia no.
Na gamro so ne ye adwuma. Oboa gamro se be ya your friend say you betimi digitize gamro. Gamro yen ya choro letter come aban say on support yen because ade no capital intensive. It me fan say ebi aban ebe so ya sene kakra na se ye lanchi a fese ebe frɛ aban either minister or president or vice president say maso ya sene until at least mombra na ye lanchi ade no that does not mean say aban akwetena say streaming up gamro dey say aban so obeboa onya moaye so atiase ne koba say ampa say ebi ase ye 10 cities na aban ama ye mo bia 5 cities a it is only fair say wo lanchi ade na obefra aban say at least maboa ye ntino na no nkyere se sebi na streaming app ya moka ho asemi se aban amani wura ni sika na say for eno minim but the question is even if aban amani wura ni sika kra na is it based on what Ghana for bebre your streaming app town ne app price ne sa ne manema nyina ni na private friends initiatives what you say so yeah, the papa, but the way I'm politicizing, no, it's creating a wrongful impression.
App no, maye.
App biya na mkache intina midika kase biya obi beye ama industry na bebo industry biya na ya the papa. Sebi streaming app at the set time na digitalization man na near record shops no. As many record shops, obi betimi abuye biya na. Eboa ma sebi utimi do nyum kwahado de kwaha ene yetonyum no it is there as many apps as will come perfect but the Akofa Sanse way in our banner say, which Abeku Santana or catch you say, Nigeria is the biggest music destination. Yatis ya buying a streaming app na ama obi. Me minti be we ase be buying a streaming app.
Me ya pa.
Ade.
Me ya say Akofa no so.
Akofa no so say.
Akofa no so say because listen, as we buy and call social media. I have watched social media and I read commentaries. It is not palatable at all. I'm telling you. Yes. Attack, you know. Now I don't feel comfortable for him because he's bigger for Asem no Kokan.
And he now in your dream.
Why do you have to say that Nigeria is the biggest music economy and they don't have a streaming platform? The government does not have a streaming platform. So Nigeria does not have it. So Ghana shouldn't have it. We have transport companies in this country. We have 2M Express. We have VIP. Basia State Transport Corporation.
Yeah. Yes, this.
You are cost of what text and this no. GTP money are bind there. But your individuals are you are. Your Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. But baby, it is say you be there. And you make what I say. It is a buy bet me I never bois. What is the problem? I buy a banner say abe create your friend say competition in the system. What is your problem? And to now correct say can be say individual. Yes. A individual I friend say 100% ownership.
Oh, okay.
But a PPP.
A PPP.
Yes. A public private partnership. It is never only say a individual. You can say PPP. Na say aban kasa aban boa. Enye say de bia no aban cover counter fund. Sika bi fi be support no. Aban can facilitate help you to do adena person way one endorsement to aban be create a serene environment for you to be agencies. I will need this agency. May say aban bema letters ama because the other streaming platform wouldn't enjoy that. Okay. So aban say be the who room send your beya a better hands. That's it. That's called that. And then you feel PPP. No, they be a PPP. I've been listening to radio and go for the PPP. Aban the sikaway. Hey, please. PPP n'interesa.
PPP n'interesa.
Public private partnership and interesa say chinchina esa aban cover counter fund. There are so many ways aban betimi di aboa.
Ti aban fa ni sika nshem ko aban betumi agirem na yagie di se onu wo mu ni ntini bibia wo mbia na ye legit.
That's it. Eti aban sa rescue onu ankasa integrity. Di panel so be provide a streaming platform di amount. All the bichi. And will be with the same thing that a person or deba. They make what I say. Eti when we say okay, that's the same thing. Then let me create an environment, serene environment for the person to come. It's fantastic. And two, they are saying is there emphaso bien so. Emphaso also. Streaming platform ben emphaso also. In fact, GMS the features of GMS the boom play ni bi.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Audio Mac does not have it. We should go and watch it. Audio Mac does not have it.
Oh.
Share 2015. Owura Tabo Mbeki, former president, South African president, and correct. Where research bia a chance say Africa lose $50 billion through corruption. And almost so much one amount. Omar fighting say Sikana acquired $300 billion. The whole world is about trillions. Yeah, chafa omu ye $3 billion. You lose through corruption. And that corruption is not a public sector. You understand? Sa kike kahu ya ni na kahu and the Mexican so the bichi. Now, the whole world adopted a strategy to curb this situation. Because Omar will say, since 2015, I $50 billion. I did not have balloon to $300 billion. How do we curb the situation? It is a digitalization system. I did a better streaming platform aye. And Chris beti madance say, Oko Gamra. Papa be a friend of Mr. John Mensa Sapon. I remember vividly. At the Gamro for Assam Command Attorney General, Madame Gloria Kufu at that time. And Madame Gloria Kufu nin sama no can say one. Gamro no madu ko your constitution and no man kitty or Gamro. it's aban no the attorney general no it take over the case. Then the attorney general referred the matter to National Cultural Forum led by Madam Efua Sutherland, and almost investigation almost found the business say Gamro for a bid you fake take it almost koji discount almost the fake take it means that corruption is in the Gamro. And this time around this app no can come and your friend say curb that situation because this
app.
Yes, this app
Okay.
say omo bua Gamro dey na say eno no be ba oko Germany they use it. You understand? Many governments are supposed to do
Gamra sem person ke call round ba na ye be see Gamra sem.
Dem say me ka ye nda ka Gamra sem.
Okay.
But me che app no ade betimi aboa because app no can monitor obi a ya bono ne ebo no mo PCF for my it can monitor.
App no
betimi monitor. The bone no baby so at the end of the day there's indicators.
Okay.
You'll be able to know the kind of money the percentage I strike what the simple like ABCD. So this time around, it wouldn't be somebody that obeko outside. I feel I'm going to discuss. Then conform balance all this stuff. The app has come to clear all this mess. So, I'm telling you.
Let's specify. Are you talking about the GMX
Yeah,
app?
I'm saying that the GMX app has those features.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. That will help. So the same features is going to Elubina, Omar Babeye, Ediabua, your friend said the
Gambo.
Senior Arnold the Kai. Abeku Santana is somebody me I grew up listening to. The way I see for ferrying in the way I see for Bruno.
To mean Casa.
Mean Casa Papa. I would tell him. I'm trying to say that when it comes to legends like this in the industry, we expect a lot of them. And Sebe, ye kasa ye bia ye be kasa woni pemuno. Eno ne be chire. Se nipa be koswa di obuo amayen anase esobeti. Ziga kasa no ka same be say when you go to social media and you read the comment, it's disgusting. Not just because say ebia ne party affiliation tina obi kasa, eye because ye nim say nim dia or wo ewo industry we mu no, we don't expect such comments from him. You've been given an opportunity to tell Ghanaians what dear na ubeya Nsuomu de babe bua industry. You see, ex-president Mahama I raised a lot of solid points in the Creative Arts Manifesto. 8 solid points: theater, film broadcasting bill, etc., etc. These are good points. Say to me and making sure that all these things are implemented. A creative art industry. Notwithstanding the fact that yes, it is true. Say ne baby we are seeing according to a research by Bank Cell or something, human consumption, as I say, yet not your phone so crossing send ya benya that just say yet not TV so I then Ashe TV. We are see advancing. According to the recording industry of American Association Americano, music streaming platforms so is racking in a chunk of the percentages of revenue. Artists Bebrenya, and Arnold gave classic examples of those things. So how would someone like Couple try to establish the point that music streaming platform is irrelevant in this day and age? How?
One can say
or say he went on to compare it to Nigeria and even made an assertion say President Mahama Suwoba obey TV station yede Ghana content, local content, beguswa yebe good. Although we know say we are sick konenim no, and you be already a chiako. There are some people like omobekechiri, so there are people that will still consume this TV and all of that. But we all agree that a chunk of the people that are consumers of these things, meaning na bibia internet, say adie we cable network, obi wo India, no anywhere own to make sure, but we wo internet over to me me patcho dey make an ultimate say let's not be quick to shoot down certain things, especially when it's going to benefit the creative art industry. I don't care whether you are MPP or you are NDC, and your wo choice and maybe I make us we ask no obia one a choice who feel say open MPP masa campaign for your party. But when we say Doctors Association obia ba because doctor ni bi onye MPP ni ti no yeah man akadia or the be yeju no. But creative art industry, every time the conversation is about the president bar, the obey, then we compare it. And even if this party is bringing something that is good now, we shoot it down because it is not from our party. and Uncle Ray say Kasano can be say or no dear. Sadia Yene Beboa party or best support, which is good. And I expect you to loud it on that for a lot of people behind to know because I'm why and nothing na omu fire serious because you baba be promise promise omukra omubamba be jina wa kan wa se men kosi and that has been what is going on for several years. And most of these people now, pray and non-political parties, some of them are just fighting for their own personal benefits. Creative art industry, and down many so. My last point, couple the I say a music streaming platform where compare Nigeria, they say Nigeria. But you see, the fact that Nigeria need being chase yen to me.
Me call lunch na sibi.
Thank you.
Mamia or no and a Kasama company no or betre Peace FM.
Okay.
Peace FM if you hire.
Okay.
And Bekasa ban sending.
Oh, debut. He have said it.
Mamini Bekasa ban. What's it ban sending? A private project. And a mammy question me and one more cast a debut. Wait a nya ban and send no jumao. Yes. Me no fini den come boy. We are private. What's it we are private company a juma. Mammy. Mammy. Ye ya minia na from Paul Festus JB was say 100% private minimum PPP. Hello 100% minimum and a government part me pacho we know say minim say mat na manti asia say me no ye agreement ni nyina de bia de bi buma ya de a na say me fa 100% asa na o de buy.
I say one fire.
It's the PPP in a way.
Oh, PPP nature say I had to say me wear juma. Na ebia if I say work of influencer, like let me put it that way. So person obi wa dia obeton. And I won't say and never be so hard ma this say e fa aban say. Ti aban say okay. And there mama no come bom said dia zika chance na me me kire wo. Ye come bom.
Aban be home fans and no dey PPP. I buy the home fans no dey PPP.
Any fans.
They share no.